Hello student, my name is MD Tasneem and today we will start chapter 4 of NCERT, that is quadratic equation. So before we begin with the chapter, let's understand some key concept of quadratic equation. In the earlier classes, we studied quadratic polynomial in the form of ax square plus bx plus c. And when this quadratic polynomial equates with 0, it becomes quadratic equation. So this is the general formula of quadratic equation, where a, b and c are integers, which means a, b, c could be 1, 2, 3 and so on. Another important thing is here a cannot be 0. So if we say a cannot be 0, the question arises whether b and c can be 0. The answer is yes, b and c can be 0. And in this case, it will give us two another cases or two another form of equations. When b is 0, the quadratic equation becomes ax square plus c equals to 0. And when c is 0, the quadratic equation becomes ax square plus bx equals to 0. Right? So कोई भी इक्वेशन क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन तभी होगा जब उसमें एक्स स्क्वायर का कंपोनेंट हो, यानी कि a प्रेजेंट होना ही चाहिए. Let's take the first question of the chapter. Check whether the following are quadratic equations. So the question is x plus 1 to the whole square equals to 2 into x minus 3. Let's break this. X square plus 2x plus b square and 1 equals to 2x minus 6. Now shift this RHS to the left side and become x square plus 2x plus 1 minus 2x plus 6 equals to 0. Here plus 2x and minus 2x will cancel and we get x square plus 1 and 6 7 equals to 0. Now compare this equation with case number 2. Case number 1, ax square plus c equals to 0. This is the same, so we can say this is a quadratic equation. Let's take another question. The question is x square minus 2x equals to minus 2 into 3 minus x. Here x square minus 2x equals to minus 2 into plus 3, it become minus 6, and minus 2 into minus x become plus 2x. Now shift this right side to the left side, it become x square minus 2x minus 2x plus 6 equals to 0, and this become x square minus 4x plus 6 equals to 0, and so all the components are present. A is present. This is the quadratic equation. This is a quadratic equation. Let's take another question. The question is x minus 2 into x plus 1 equals to x minus 1 into x plus 3. Now simplify this. This x will multiply with this x plus 1 and this minus 2 will multiply with this x plus 1. Similarly, x will multiply with this x plus 3 and minus 1 will multiply with this x plus 3. Now this become x square plus x minus 2x minus 2x minus 2 equals to x square plus 3x minus x minus 3. Add this x and x square minus x minus 2 equals to x square plus 2x minus 3. Now shift this right side component to the left side. Become x square minus x minus 2 minus x square minus 2x and plus 3 equals to 0. Here plus x square and minus x square will cancel, and this simplify to we will get minus 3x plus 1 equals to 0. Now see this equation. Here the component of x square, that is a, is missing, or we can say a is 0. And what we have see in the concept that in any quadratic equation a cannot be 0. So simply we can say that this is not a quadratic equation. Not a quadratic equation. Let's take another question. The question is x square plus 3x plus 1 equals to x minus 2 to the whole square. Now it becomes x square plus 3x plus 1 equals to x square minus plus 4 square minus 4x. Now shift this right side component to the left side and it will become 3x square plus 3x plus 1 minus x square minus 4 plus 4x equals to 0. Now here plus x square minus x square will cancel, and 3x plus 4x will add and it becomes 7x plus and minus 3 equals to 0. Now if we compare the this equation with the general equation, that is ax square plus bx plus c, here this component is missing, and so it will not a quadratic equation. Since a equals to 0, therefore it is not a quadratic equation. Okay, let's take another question. The question is x plus 3 to the whole cube equals to 2x into x square minus 1. Now aq plus bq, what will happen? The answer is formula of aq plus bq क्या हो जाएगा? a plus b का whole cube equals to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b, right? तो इसमें इसको तोड़ देंगे, it will become x cube plus 3 to the power cube plus 3 into x a into b into x plus 3 and equals to, this will multiply, gives a result 2x cube minus 2x. Okay, let's simplify it. X cube plus 3 to the power 3, 27 plus 3 3s are 9x plus this will under is equals to 2x cube minus 2x. X cube plus 27 plus this will become 9x square and plus 9 to the 27x equals to 2x cube minus 2x. X cube plus 27 plus 9x square plus 27x minus 2x cube plus 2x equals to 0. Now this x cube and minus 2x cube will become minus x cube and 9x square plus 9x square remain 9x square and 27x plus 2x become 29x and plus 27 equals to 0. Now if you compare this equation with the general quadratic equation, we will find both are not similar, so it is not a quadratic equation. Not a quadratic equation, right? Let's take another question. X cube minus 4x square minus x plus 1 equals to x minus 2 to the whole cube. Now x cube, this minus 4x square minus x plus 1 equals to a cube minus b cube का फॉर्मूला होता है a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b, right? Then this will become x cube minus 2 to the power cube minus 3x into 2 into x minus 2. X cube minus 4x square minus x plus 1 equals to x cube minus 8 minus 3 to the 6x into this will become 6x and 6x into x, 6x square minus minus plus, and this will become 6 to the 12x, right? Now shift all the right side component to the left side and it will become x square minus 4x square, x cube minus 4x square minus x plus 1 minus x cube plus 8 plus 6x square minus 12x equals to 0. Now this plus x cube and minus x cube will cancel and minus x square plus 6 square will become 2x square and minus x and minus 12x become minus 13x and 1 plus 8 become 9 equals to 0. And if we compare this equation with our quadratic equation, that is ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. This match with this general equation, and so this is a quadratic equation. We have given some statements and we need to form a quadratic equation from these statements. Let me change the pen color. Okay, so what we have given, the area of a rectangular plot is 528 meter square. If the length of the plot in meter is one more than twice its breadth, then we need to find the length and breadth of the plot. Just we need to form a quadratic equation. We need not to solve this equation in the question. Okay, so we will start. We have given the length of the plot is one more than twice of its breadth. So let breadth equals to x, and so the length become 1 plus 2x. 1 plus 2x, and we have given area equals to 528 meter square. This is in meter. Okay, meter. Now we know area of rectangle is length into breadth, and so length is x into breadth is 1 plus 2x, and area we have given 528. Now if you multiply this, it will become x plus 2x square equals to 528, and we can arrange this equation as 2x square plus x minus 528 equals to 0, and this is what we have to write a quadratic equation from this question. Okay, let's take another question. The question says the product of two consecutive positive integer is 306. We need to find the integer. We don't need to calculate this question. We just have to write a quadratic equation on this. So let's assume first positive integer equals to x, and so the another consecutive positive integer become x plus 1. So what we have given in the question, The product of two consecutive integers is 306. What we have given, product is equals to 306. You can write properly as given or according to question. Product of two consecutive integer equals to 306. Now it will become x into x plus 1 equals to 306. Now when we multiply, it will become x square plus x equals to 306, and we can arrange this as x square plus x minus 306 equals to 0. We will get this, we will get our quadratic equation. Okay, let's move to the next question. The next question says Rohan's mother is 26 years older than him. So let's assume Rohan's age. Rohan's age be x. Then what the question says Rohan's mother is 26 years older than him. Then his mother says become mother's age x plus 26, right? X plus 26. Now further it is given the product of their age in year, age 3 year from now will 360. कह रहा अब से 3 साल बाद दोनों के एज का प्रोडक्ट 360 होगा. Then you have to write after 3 years. After 3 years, Rohan's age become x plus 3 and her mother age become x plus 26 plus 3. That means x plus 29. And now the question says product of their age is 360. Product of their age equals to 360. So we have to multiply x plus 3 into x plus 29 equals to 360, and further we have to simplify this as the let me take a page. Okay, so what we have, the last equation, x plus 3 into x plus 29, x plus 3 into x plus 29 equals to 360. We can solve here also. 360, let's multiply x into x plus 29 plus 3 into x plus 29 equals to 360. It will become x square plus 29 x plus 3x plus 9 3 87 equals to 360. And now further we simplify it it will become, let me change the pen color, x square, and this will add and become 32x plus 87 minus 360 equals to 0. And this will become x square plus 32x and minus 273 equals to 0, and this is our final equation. Let's move to the last question. The question says, a train travels with a distance of 480 km at a uniform speed. So the when distance is given 480 kilometers, if the speed has been 8 kilometer less, which सबसे पहले हम लोग पहले का स्पीड को अज्यूम कर लेते हैं. लेट स्पीड equals to x kilometer per hour, and with this speed, it how much time it will take to cover 480 kilometers, and time to cover distance of 480 will be 480 by x hour. Now further the question says, if the speed has been speed have been 8 kilometer per hour less, then the new speed become, now speed become x minus 8 kilometer per hour, and it will take 3 hours more to cover the same distance. What it takes time, तो यहाँ पे जो टाइम हो जाएगा वो जो पहले का टाइम था, ये टाइम 480 बाई एक्स, और इसमें ये 3 घंटा एक्स्ट्रा ले देता है. राइट, एंड वी नीड टू फाइंड द स्पीड ऑफ द ट्रेन. ओके, अब सेम डिस्टेंस कवर कर रहा है, देन यहाँ पे क्या हो जाएगा, हम लोग करेंगे, लिखेंगे फॉर्मूला, डिस्टेंस इक्वल्स टू speed into time. Okay, let's take a page. तो हमारे पास डिस्टेंस क्या होगा, डिस्टेंस तो 480 ही है, डिस्टेंस हमारे पास 40 ही होगा. और यहाँ पे देखेंगे हम लोग कि हमारे पास न्यू स्पीड क्या है, x माइनस 8 किलोमीटर पर आवर, और न्यू टाइम क्या है 480 बाई x प्लस 3 आवर. राइट हियर हमारे पास क्या है, न्यू x माइनस 8 आवर and 480 by x plus 3. Okay, and just we need to simplify these equations. हम लोग थोड़ा इसको सिंप्लीफाई करके इधर लिख सकते हैं, x माइनस 8 and just simply multiply. Now first x into 480 by x plus 3 and minus 8 into 480 by x plus 3 equals to 480. This x and x will cancel and it become 480 plus 3x minus 8 into 480 by x plus minus minus, and 8 3 ja 24 equals to 480. This 480 and this 480 will cancel, and here we get 3x minus, when we multiply this it will become 0 4 8, yes, divided by x minus 24 equals to 0. Now take this x as LCM, and it will become 3x square minus 2840 minus 24x equals to 0. Now when we cross multiply it, it's come 3x square minus 2840 minus 24x equals to 0. Okay, we will get our quadratic equation, and we can simplify it more. Let's take 3 as common. X square minus we will get 480 and 8x equals to 0, and so we will get final result as x square minus 8x minus 480 equals to 0. This is our quadratic equation. Get. Thank you. In the next part we will start 4.2.